Global spending on digital transformation is projected to reach nearly $4 trillion by 2027, yet many businesses still treat it as optional, maintaining outdated systems that slow growth and increase risk. Brian Lucrell, Chief Strategy Officer at Charter Technology Solutions, says, "Digital transformation is less about technology itself and more about how you leverage it to drive better business outcomes." When you embrace digital transformation, you're not just upgrading tools, you're reshaping operations to drive growth and resilience. Full IT oversight reduces internal complexity and lets your team focus on core objectives. Around-the-clock monitoring with rapid response prevents costly downtime. Digital systems scale with your business without adding internal burden. AI and cloud solutions accelerate everyday work. Automated processes protect data, streamline compliance, and free teams to focus on meaningful tasks. Centralized data delivers actionable insights, letting you make faster, evidence-based decisions. Every IT control and policy is mapped to measurable business outcomes, turning compliance and strategy into tangible value. To see these benefits in action, explore the full article on our website. You can also add this episode to your playlist to revisit these strategies anytime.